Jorara University, Cameroon has honored 32 staff of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria and Niger, as well as other individuals with honorary doctorate degree for their outstanding contributions to the development of education. The ceremony was held on Saturday, the 4th of February 2023 at the School of Health Sciences, MAAUN Kano, and was attended by both students and staff of the university. In his address, the founder and chairman governing council of MAAUN, Professor Adamu Abubakar, congratulated the awardees for the feat recorded, saying it is just a starting point of their journey to success. Professor Gorzo, who nominated the celebrants for the award, said the nomination was based on their selfless services and commitment to uplifting the standard of education in Africa. According to him, MAAUN is not only a certificate awarding institution, but a training ground for the upcoming generations of world leaders who would solve problems through innovation and critical thinking. He applauded all his staff who have stood by him throughout the journey and who have made his dream of making education accessible and affordable a reality. Speaking, the co-founder of Jorara University, Professor Mahmouda Salou, disclosed that honorary degrees are conferred only on those who are dedicated to making life easier and better for humankind. He said the honorees from MAAUN are icons of humanitarian services who have deployed their intellectual capacity and experience to assist Professor Gorzo to build MAAUN to its present standard. Professor Saluhu, who lauded Professor Gorzo for making education not only a priority but affordable for the development of Nigeria and Africa at large. He said MAAUN is one of the leading institutions across the globe. He expressed satisfaction with the beautiful landscaping of the university as well as the degree of her seriousness to achieving academic excellence in areas of research and development. Professor Saluhu, who stressed the importance of internationalization, expressed gratitude to Professor Gorzo for linking the destinies of the two prestigious universities for mutual benefits. The honorees include the Vice President Campus Life of MAAUN, Kano, Dr. Hamza Garba, Vice President Finance, Mr. Dauda Abrazak Kayode, Director Institute of Africa Higher Education, Research and Innovation, Aheri, Dr. Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, Examination Controller, Dr. Murtala Musa, and Chair, International Relations Department, Dr. Lawal Malami Goni. Others were the Registrar of Aheris University, Togo, Muhammad Adamu Wakili, Aliyu Yusuf Kakaki, Samira Hassan Muhammad, Barrister Maryam Jibril, Noura M. Inwa, Hadiza Magaji Abdullahi, and Hadiza Ibrahim. Also in the list were Rakietu Hassan Musi, who was given a posthumous doctorate degree, and Professor Musa, Vice-Chancellor of Elite University, received on her behalf. Ado Salis Riruwai, Mansur Muhammad Tukur, Sani Muhammad Gumel, Ismail Aliyu Darma, Salisu Bello, Naziru Bashir Bukhtar. Others were Abrashid Amadou, Agwaza Bimdu, Moses David Lorchihi, and Dr. Salisu Mahmouda.